Tired of worrying about your phone's security? Enter GrapheneOS, the privacy-first, open-source OS engineered exclusively for Google Pixel devices. Under the hood, GrapheneOS leverages the Pixel's Titan M chip, safeguarding your encryption keys and fortifying your data against attacks. Lock down every port and confuse every PIN guessing attempt. USB ports secured. PIN entry randomized. Let's explore how GrapheneOS achieves unmatched mobile security. Hardened base and memory tagging technology prevent common exploits. Advanced sandboxing isolates each app for ultimate security and privacy. Exploit mitigations, CFI, reduce the attack surface and harden the system from memory corruption. Verified boot and attestation ensure that the device's integrity is intact. Titan M Secure Element protects encryption keys and handles security-critical operations. Extra security features like PIN scrambling and USB lockdown provide layers of security to block attackers. GrapheneOS puts you in complete control of your device's security and privacy. Granular app permissions allow you to limit what apps can access on your device. Reduced tracking methods make it harder for others to track you online and across apps. Secure, privacy-focused apps protect your data with built-in features. Need your favorite Play Store apps? Run them inside a secure sandbox. No special privileges, no compromises. Install Play Store apps safely knowing that GrapheneOS protects your device's integrity. Google Apps run in the standard app sandbox like any other third-party app, providing strong privacy and security. They don't have special system privileges and can't access sensitive data unless you explicitly allow it. This ensures that you can use Google services without compromising the hardened security and privacy protections that GrapheneOS is known for. Ready to supercharge your privacy? Let iTechVista.com handle the install on-site, remotely, or by mail. GrapheneOS on your Pixel. Total privacy. Ironclad security. Installed by iTechVista.